Imagine a home where every item sparks joy, and decluttering leads to a profound transformation, not just of your space, but of your life itself. Welcome to the life-changing magic of tidying up by Marie Kondo, a revolutionary approach to decluttering that has swept the globe. Let's start at the heart of Kondo's method, where tidying is not just about cleaning, but a journey of self-discovery and cherishing what truly matters. The KonMari method isn't just about deciding what to discard, but about embracing those possessions that bring genuine happiness to your life. Forget room by room. Kondo's revolutionary tidying orders by category, leading to a more thorough and mindful decluttering process. This approach ensures nothing is overlooked, and every item is considered with care and respect. The cornerstone of the KonMari method is joy. Kondo invites us to ask, does this item spark joy? It's a simple question that leads to profound changes, encouraging us to keep only those things that truly make our hearts sing. Kondo elevates tidying from a mundane chore to a mindful ritual, emphasizing respect for one's belongings and gratitude for their service. This ritualistic approach infuses the act of decluttering with a sense of ceremony, making it not just a task, but a path to mindfulness and self-care. Imagine a life where each day begins with serenity and purpose. Kondo's method doesn't just declutter your home, it clears your mind, opening up space for new hobbies, relationships, and dreams. It's not just about space, it's about possibility. But how did this transformative method begin? The story starts with a young Marie who was not just obsessed with tidying, but driven by a deeper quest for what makes a life truly joyful. Her breakthrough came not amidst order, but chaos when she fainted from over-tidying. Lying in a cluttered room, Marie had an epiphany. We should not just tidy to declutter, but to surround ourselves with joy. This revelation sparked the creation of the KonMari method, turning her passion into a global tidying phenomenon. Embrace what brings joy and let go of the rest. Tidying is a personal journey to discovering what truly matters in your life. Key takeaway: 1. Cherish and keep only what sparks joy. Key takeaway. 2. Tidying is not an end, but a means to a more joyful, purposeful life. Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up isn't just a method, it's a movement towards living a life filled with joy, purpose, and serenity. By choosing to surround ourselves with things that spark joy, we not only transform our spaces, but also our lives.